There are other names, of course, that have already been brought forward, yung anim. And medyo ano din ako dyan. Pero definitely, si Edelberto Leonardo has been connected to the, what's this, to the reward system. Kaya lang, sabi ko nga, wag muna nating tutukan kasi he resigned from the NAPOLCOM, apparently. Or he's no longer connected with NAPOLCOM. He used to be one of the commissioners. And so he's a private person. And when a warrant of arrest is issued against him, naku, hindi ko na alam kung saan siya hahanapin. At least, si Bato, okay lang sa akin manalo siya because his address is Senate Building, Pasay, gano'n.
Unless
So,
mag-backdoor din sila like Harry. 'Di ba si Harry
yeah.
nag-backdoor escape, 'di ba? Although parang alam ko wala yatang batas to criminalize escaping without going through the proper authority, parang something like that, no? Hindi.
Yeah, yung Alice Guo
Yeah, yeah,
and
yun nga eh, yung
Teves
backdoor
and
escape type, yeah.
so I don't know, pero definitely Bato de la Rosa. Although parang nagkakamot na yata ng ulo si Bato kasi 'di ba Holy Week ngayon. Holy Week. Sabi niya,
Oh
baka
my
mahuli
God. Oh
ako.
my God. Yeah. Basta kami hinintayin namin yung next Senate President. To be honest, walang pag-asa sa akin itong
Yeah, and
the guy
so
now is just trying to survive until Tito Soto or someone else takes over. Kasi I think it's almost certain Tito Soto will be the next Senate President. I
oh.
like
So
sobrang laki ng chance, yeah.
and
Talking
that's it. That's where the other kumbaga factors will come into play. How the next administration or parang the latter part of the administration will handle the request to cooperate. Yung nakaraan na request for cooperation, I would agree to some extent na nagkagulo-gulo sila how to explain it. But they could just very well use the ICC, the Rome Statute itself, na parang this is what it directs us to do. And as a non-member state, at sabi nila, choosy that you can choose to cooperate with Article 59, which is to bring a person to a national judicial authority and then to surrender the person. Sa totoo lang, in the ICC, binalikan ko yung mga arrest dati. Kapag basta nadala mo sa ICC, surrendered na. The issue of non-compliance with the Rome Statute, yung hindi din nila sa court, you can ask for compensation. That's the best I could offer to them. If you're
kunyari
thinking that,
nabugtok si Digong on the way to the yung mga ganun.
yeah, hindi
Kasuhan yung Philippine government.
pinakain.
Yeah, yeah.
Ano
Oh.
lang,
Yung
isang
pizza niya,
sandwich lang.
yung pizza, yung pizza ni Harry.
Oh, ni Bongo. So yon,
Hindi
they
yun.
can assert that, yeah, I'm entitled to compensation.
Yun lang, oh.
But I will argue that it is not enough to invalidate the arrest or invalidate the warrant or the case altogether. Na porque ganito yung nangyari sa kanya, eh, palalayain na lang ba? And I found it weird that there was this one lawyer who was tagging me in a post na parang the ICC is so flawed. I would agree. It's not perfect. It's so flawed. It's going after all these criminals and they haven't arrested Putin, they haven't arrested Netanyahu, etc. And therefore, it has no jurisdiction to arrest Duterte. No. Just because all these other people have not been arrested doesn't mean that we have to let this one go. Na porque parang dapat fair na walang
Hindi ba
maaresto.
ito rin yung mga abogado na yung